gentlemen, let's make way for our very own Miss Chelsea Fernandez!
And maayong gabi sa pinakamamahal kong probinsya ng Sultan Kudarat. And you know, it's truly an honor to be able to showcase our beautiful province, our landscapes, our seas, our culture, and our people. Thank you to our beloved Governor, the father of Sultan Kudarat, Datuk Pax Ali Sangki Manguda Datuk. I show my best because I am supported in the best way possible. And now I'm not just carrying the province of Sultan Kudarat, but the whole country, and I promise to carry all of you with so much pride and confidence.